The CVV or CVC is a crucial three-digit security code that protects your card during transactions. Understanding this security feature is essential for safe online shopping and account verification. This three-digit code serves multiple important purposes. It verifies card ownership during online purchases, phone transactions, and account verification processes, making it essential for e-commerce security. Now let's look at an actual example. Here you can see where the CVV is located on a typical debit card. It's the three-digit number on the back of the card, usually in the signature area. The Cash App card is a free, customizable debit card that connects directly to your Cash App balance. It's a MasterCard branded card, which means it's accepted worldwide at millions of locations. The Cash App card comes with several attractive benefits. There are no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and you can customize the design to match your personal style. One of the most convenient features is the instant virtual card. As soon as your Cash App card is approved, you receive a virtual version that you can use immediately for online purchases, even before your physical card arrives in the mail. Whether you're using the virtual card or the physical card, both have the same CVV number for security. In the next section, we'll show you exactly how to find your Cash App card's CVV using simple, secure methods. There are two primary ways to locate your Cash App card's CVV or CVC number. Let's explore both methods to help you access this important security code. Method 1 is to check the back of your physical cash card. The CVV is a three-digit number printed in the signature strip area, typically positioned to the right side of the strip. Method 2 uses the Cash App mobile application. Start by opening Cash App on your mobile device and tapping the Cash Card tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, select Card Details or tap on the card image itself. You'll need to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your PIN to access the sensitive card information. After authentication, the CVV will be displayed along with other card details like your card number and expiration date. This method works even if you haven't received your physical card yet, as you can access the virtual card details through the same process. Both methods provide secure access to your CVV. The physical card method is quick and doesn't require internet access, while the mobile app method offers convenience and works immediately after card approval, even before your physical card arrives.